separate use case, what we're going to see here is a water pump, and we're going to focus on two different phases: the visualization and instructional mode. So what we're going to do is we're going to pull up the same application, and you'll actually see that you can actually launch the first simulation, which decomposes the actual manufactured product. And again, the IoT platform shows the service life parts and all of the shelf life of each one of those internal components. 74% breathing filter, and it's all done in real time. Okay. In the second phase, okay, we actually use it as an instructional aid for someone who doesn't know this specific hardware platform. You can actually go ahead and show them how to illustrate how to break it down. A screwdriver can come in, remove the flow housing. Okay. Then the actual filter itself can be replaced by being removed and subsequently replaced. So it can walk a technician in real time through the maintenance procedure, and you don't need to have years or hours of expertise in the platform to maintain it.